Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to mount a movement into an open-face pin-set pocket watch case. Let's get started. Insert the set pin into the hole in the case so we can move on to assembly the movement. Carefully inspect the movement for any alignment pins and locate the recess or slot inside the case. After seating the movement, the alignment pins prevent any lateral displacement, allowing for the secure tightening of the retaining screw. Finally, insert the stem with the crown and tighten the setting lever screw. Thank you for watching. If you're working with a different case and need help with the assembly, feel free to ask in the comments.